Folks, just finishing up here. Just want to put the boot on there. I like to put the crossfeed all the way this way and then cut the boot off to right there so that we're like one extra ring back. And then when I put the boot ring in there, I put it in one row behind. If somebody knows an easy way to put that on there, let me know. All I know is the brute force way. I wish there was an easy way to do that. I like just a little dab of grease on here. Not much. Plug that in. Throw it over like that. Put the spring ring on there early. And then take a T-handle. Just gently roll that baby on there without destroying it. And that happens all the time. The spring. And that's that. And the snap ring goes on. Usually you put enough grease on the thing for it to work. This thing would love to snap off and tear your finger apart. Okay, that's putting the boot on there. We'll call it a shot right there.